everyone, it's me again. I'm Lena and I'm from the Healthcare Landscape Group. In this video, I'm going to be talking about my thoughts over the progress over the week 70. Now, over the week 69 and what's next for me to do on week 70. I'm going to talk about the goals I've set for myself, the improvements that I have made, what have I learned, discussion, and the words for next week. So basically, I'm going to cover about what have I done and what is next for me to do. Firstly, for my goals. Firstly, I need to apply the IELTS template to my writing. Since I didn't exactly apply it, I didn't put in any of the advanced vocabulary and incorporate the IELTS template, and I need to send in instruction. So that the members, specifically Kennedy, can follow that instruction and not get off track with their work. Make the meeting more intriguing and more exciting. Now, this meeting, I had a goal, which is to make the meeting intriguing and make my meeting plan more detailed. I need to put in more activities into the meeting plan so that my members would stay more focused and more participated in the meeting. Now, the improvements that I have made, I've sent in the feedbacks on Thursday, and I've sent in all of the works on time. Those are the improvements that I have made for myself. What have I learned? Well, last week I have learned about reviewed on the importance of math in healthcare and learned about some of the applications and importance of science in healthcare, in the healthcare field and medicine too. Those are the things that I have learned. And I've also reviewed the concept of number theory with the problems that Mrs. Pratt sends out in the third DE, week 69. Here is the third DE that we have for week 69, or the last week. The discussion in the meeting. Well, this meeting we discussed over three main areas. The first one is the self-reflection, in which we talked over our challenges, our goals, improvements, things like that. The second one is the main work. The main work is where we discussed on the empathy, which is from Kennedy's topic, and mine, which is numeracy and science, importance of it in healthcare and medicine. And then lastly, we discussed over the plan of the 12 weeks plan that Mrs. Pratt asked us to do it again, because we need to go over the same topic, not go over different topics. And the last part is math in healthcare, which we just discussed over problem number 2, that Kennedy misunderstood the task of problem number 2, and I had to go over that and explain to Kennedy. And lastly, the words for next week. We discussed in the meeting, after we discussed on the 12 weeks plan that Kennedy brought up, we decided that our second DE and our main video should be about empathy. Our third DE should be on number 3, part 3, which Mrs. Pratt will send in the problem later, and the first DE should be on the progress week 70. 69 and 70. So this is that video. I hope that you learned something from this video. Those are all the things I have to say. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you again in the next video or the next lesson. Goodbye, see you later.